If you're choosing between Jisulife Ultra 1 and Ultra 2, this isn't just fan versus fan. It's raw power versus refined upgrade. So, is it actually worth upgrading? Let's break it down. Ultra 1 is all about raw performance. It delivers extremely strong airflow, far more powerful than typical handheld fans. But that power comes at a cost. Battery drains faster and it can get noisy at higher speeds. Ultra 2 takes a smarter approach. It tones down the peak power slightly, but improves battery life and overall efficiency, making it more practical for everyday use. From real user feedback, compared to Ultra 1, it's slightly weaker, but battery life is a game changer. Get the Ultra 2, lower noise and better overall experience. So which one is better? Choose Ultra 1 if you want maximum wind power and don't mind noise or shorter battery life. Choose Ultra 2 if you want better battery, quieter performance, and a more balanced daily fan. Bottom line, Ultra 2 is a refinement, not a huge upgrade. It's better for most people. But if you already have Ultra 1 and care mainly about power, upgrading is essential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.